Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you my new toy. It is a soil block maker or a soil blocker. It's going to make 2-inch squared soil cubes, kind of like the soil balls you saw in my other video, but it's just going to help speed things up, and efficiency wise, if you have to make a lot of them, it's going to make your life easier. So here's the insert here. Those little metal balls are what's known as dibblers. They're going to push down and make an impression in the soil, and that's going to be the hole for your seed. Now here's the handle. You can see the handle's got a little bit of a bend to it. This is a $40 version off Amazon. You can get a little bit more heavy duty and expensive versions from some specialty garden stores, but I haven't had an issue with it. I tried it out. It works just fine, so I'm still happy with it. So you just pop the insert in there, and there's these two metal tabs on the edge. You'll see one in a sec. There it is. Those are going to stop the insert from popping up when you push the handle up and down, so just make sure the insert goes below those when you're putting it in. So there you go. Just make sure that the handle is screwed fully in all the way, nice and tight. I'll just show you how it works. You hold onto that bottom handle and push down on the top handle. Now that pushes the insert up and down, and that's going to help compress and then release the cubes from the block maker. And there you can go see from the bottom, there's the little dibbler balls, and that's going to push and make the holes for your seeds. So we're going to go outside, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So this is the same soil from the soil ball video. It's just a lot wetter. It's got a lot more water content because you're gonna, in a sec, you're gonna want to see water come up from the top of the block. That's how you know there's enough water in the soil mix you've made. So there you go. I'm putting nice, firm, even pressure down on the block maker, and you can see the water come up through the top there. You just rock it back and forth. Make sure the cubes are filled completely with soil. Then just wipe off the excess, level the bottom, make sure it's got a nice flat bottom. Now we'll just swing it around so you can get a better view. So you're going to put it on a nice, firm, level surface. Then hold that bottom handle, push down on the top handle. There you can see the insert's moving down and compressing the cubes. Now just use a nice, firm, equal pressure. Don't go too fast. For the first few times, just go nice and slow. And they're just going to pop out right there, and boom, there you go. I'm very happy with how these turned out. This is my first time this season using one of these. I've never used one before. So I'm very happy. They're just nice, even. They look perfect. They've got a nice little hole there for the seed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the basics of it. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. You can feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. But whatever you do, you are still awesome, and have an amazing day.